Over and Under the Snow, written by Kate Messner, retold by Gabrielle. A family glides into the woods, the snow fresh and white. They see a flash of fur of a red squirrel disappearing down a crack in the snow. There is a secret kingdom under the snow where the smallest animals stay safe and warm. As they glide, they see a great horned owl, and under the snow, tiny shrews. As they climb, they dig in edges to not slide down. Falls under the snow, 2 sliding tunnels looking for morsels. On the snow I glide, I go down, down, and faster. Oops! On the snow, a noise. As we stand, a fox walks. He puts his ear to the ground. He listens for sounds. As they glide on the snow, the moon shows them the way to home. On the snow, the fire sparks, looking marshmallows as shadows dance in the fire. Want to see what they do when they get back home? Read Over and Under the Snow from the Hoover Library to find out.